The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out as one of the top flagship Android smartphones released this year. Despite not being flawless, it boasts an impressive anti-reflective screen, exceptional performance, and long-lasting battery life. However, its 200 megapixels main camera and telephoto lenses fall short compared to the competition. Furthermore, Samsung has opted for smaller camera sensors on its flagship Galaxy devices, unlike OnePlus and Xiaomi. Nevertheless, the company is gearing up to introduce significant improvements in display and camera quality with the upcoming Galaxy S25 in the following year. During a recent earnings call in Q2 2024, Daniel Araujo, VP of Samsung's mobile experience, hinted at major enhancements in display and camera technology for the Galaxy S25. He mentioned plans to utilize top-tier application processors and memory to enhance app performance and provide users with a premium overall experience. Samsung is renowned for its OLED display expertise, with its flagship Galaxy S series typically featuring top-of-the-line panels. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch OLED display can reach a peak brightness of 2600 nits and incorporates Corning's innovative Gorilla Glass armor, reducing reflections by up to 75%. Looking ahead to the S25 series, Samsung may introduce new tandem OLED display technology, similar to Apple's M4 iPad Pro, to achieve even higher brightness levels and improved power efficiency. Recent rumors indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature an upgraded 50 megapixels 3x telephoto sensor, which would significantly enhance image quality and detail compared to the S24 Ultra's smaller 10 megapixels 3x telephoto lens. Samsung has been utilizing the same sensor in its flagship models since the Galaxy S21 Ultra launched in 2021. However, it seems the primary sensor might remain unchanged, continuing with the 200 megapixel sensor found in both the S24 and S23 Ultra. Additionally, a Samsung VP touched on the company's advancements in AI, revealing plans to collaborate closely with partners like Google. This collaboration aims to improve the understanding of conversational context, ultimately delivering a more seamless and natural user experience across devices. With these enhancements, Samsung is poised to strengthen its already significant advantage in AI integration over its rivals. The upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be a significant improvement over the previous Galaxy S series phones. It is anticipated to showcase a fresh design, enhanced cameras, a quicker processor, and a new software layout. There are also rumors of a RAM upgrade, with a potential 16 gigs variant according to reliable tipsters universe. This would be a welcome change for enthusiasts, as previous models like the Galaxy S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra had 16 gigs RAM variants, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra and newer models were downgraded to just 12 gigs. If Samsung does indeed bring back the 16 gigs with the S25 Ultra, it would be a cause for celebration among fans. Apart from this, Samsung has officially announced the arrival of the Exynos 2500 chip, marking its second 3nm chip release. Following the Exynos W1000, the South Korean company revealed the new chip during its earnings call. Samsung is confident in the success of the Exynos 2500, especially after the positive reception of the Exynos W1000 in the market. With the use of its second-generation GAA process, Samsung anticipates no performance or efficiency issues with the Exynos 2500. The chip is expected to be featured in the Galaxy S25 series, and with the Galaxy S25 Ultra potentially using Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 exclusively for enhanced performance, including Qualcomm's custom-oriented CPU cores. So, what are your thoughts on these upcoming upgrades in the Galaxy S25 lineup? Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Take care until next time. Peace out.